out here, man. I'm about to go to Petco, right?
Yes.
To buy the dogs some food, because, you know, they got to eat. I keep looking over there, but I got to look over here. My mom is in the car today. She's with us. Sister, turning 21 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Say what's up, Mom. You're vlogging. The vlog. Man, that sexy ride. Shorty about to come out. Sorry. Vlogging. Let's go, Jaylee. Yo, we should have bought our dogs so they could do the anything you touch, you can buy it. Oh, look at 3 friends. They in a separate cage, but they still homies. They still saying what's up to each other, yo.
I would never let go of you.
That's the kind of love I need. Yo, they all look the same. Jeez.
You want to try it?
I stopped vlogging because somebody came up to me and they were like, yo, you can't be taking pictures out here. We are vlogging, bro. Tell them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nobody's stopping my grind, bro. Be grinding, bro. I like my hair, by the way. I think it looks good. You like it?
Yeah.
I like your afro. It looks good. We're having an amazing day at Petco, and I feel like my dogs should get one of these, right?
They ain't gonna sleep in it. They're gonna be sleeping in that.
They don't even have that. Remember, buy anything you want. Everything is gonna be on my mom's card. Damn, she don't even care. I love her. I love that lady. Whoa. You buy them shampoo, and I'm gonna get them treats. I got them some treats. What you guys got them?
So,
No, because nah, bro. We don't even shower them. Yo, yeah, I really buying that for the dogs.
Yeah.
So they don't get. Oh my God. I'm gonna get it. Something for Precious. I'm seeing the workers and I'm like, I gotta go. Guess the bill. How much you think it's gonna be?
Like 200.
200? What's your number, miss? Miss. How much you think this is gonna be? She said 150. I think it's 180, bro. Nice. I'm Jose. Nice to meet you. Oliver.
Yes.
How much is the grand total?
Total came out to 254.
254. I missed it. Bye, Petco. You guys was really nice. I love it. Now, back to the reality, right? Ay, Dios, look. Damn, Mom. Do not get dogs. Man, so this lady's really trying to stop my grind. Like, she said, oh, I wish I could have recorded that, man. I should be recording all the time. I gotta stop looking at their screen right here, man. Yo, this vlog is gonna be weird.
Yo, facts.
But
it's okay.
But it's okay, cause that's what makes it special. I feel like when I'm looking at the camera lens, I feel like I'm going crazy, cause you know, it's the lens. But when I look at myself, I know what's going on. I think that's why Casey wears glasses, bro, cause he doesn't like looking over here. He likes looking over there. Do you and watch Casey, bro?
Sometimes.
That's sad. But anyways, I'm over here vlogging today. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I know I'm gonna get somewhere. It's all about being positive. I hope this mic is working. It's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, imagine you record everything and it just not. You know, it can go how you plan.
Don't say that, bro. The audio is gonna be amazing. It's recorded right now, so we lit.
I look like crazy. Excuse me. It's that. You know,
Yeah, she's over here with
I
the
mean, bad
afro
hair day.
tonight. Bad hair day.
it's whatever.
I'm not shaving no more, so if y'all don't like the facial hair, I'm not putting that in.
You should. You be like, dang. When you plan to go back to Cali?
I'm thinking about going next year, bro. I'm for sure going back. I'm gonna be traveling more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a lot of that. Maybe next year, man.
It's gonna be crazy.
When YouTube starts paying me, that's when I'm gonna travel
YouTube,
more.
start paying right now.
Hit the subscribe button right now if you're new. Oh my god. So I love New York City, bro. You find everything. You find people that could draw. You find people that vlog like me. Look at the lady. I'm telling you, it's amazing. We out here, man. It's a beautiful day. And we got a vlog for y'all. Man, this train is so loud. So remember, all you gotta do is follow these 3 steps. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, take a screenshot and send it to my DM right there. And you can, get a chance to win this camera right here. It's a beautiful vlogging camera. Do not miss it. Let's get it. Peace.